If you focus on competing with others, you may become bitter. But if you focus on competing with yourself, you probably become better. Soichiro Honda was a mechanic at a garage. His job was to tune cars to prepare them for the races. In 1937, Soichiro Honda founded a piston rings manufacturing company that started to supply piston rings to an established car company, Toyota. Soon after, he actually ended up losing the contract due to quality control. He then spent all of that time trying to study Toyota's quality assurance policies, their processes, and was able to win that contract back and start providing piston rings for all of their cars. Toyota actually took a 40% stake in the company, but when that happened, Soichiro Honda was demoted from president to senior managing director. To make things worse, his manufacturing plants were destroyed during the US attacks in 1944. Honda sold the remains of his company, Toyota, for whatever he could, and used that money to found the Honda Technical Research Institute in October 1946. He worked with a staff of just 12 men in a 172 square foot shack. They built and sold motorcycles and in a very short time became the largest motorcycle manufacturer in the world by 1964. And we all know where this story goes. From motorcycles, they went into vans and cars and vehicles of all types, and now are one of Toyota's most serious competitors. It's incredible how struggle, pain, challenges can either break you down or allow you to rebuild. What Soichiro Honda did was find opportunity in adversity when many people would have just decided to give up.